Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss a very important topic for anyone striving to achieve success in their personal or professional life: how to use goal-setting techniques to achieve sustainable success. If you aim to develop yourself, improve your productivity, or accomplish your dreams in an organized and sustainable way, this video is the perfect place to start. Let's begin. Sustainable success, a deeper dive. Sustainable success is not a fleeting achievement or a one-time event. It encompasses a long-term vision that integrates multiple aspects of life in a balanced and harmonious way. Achieving this kind of success requires more than just professional milestones or financial gains. It demands an ongoing commitment to personal well-being, growth, and stability across all areas of life. At its core, sustainable success is about creating a life where each area complements the others. For example, while professional success may bring financial rewards and career advancement, it should not come at the expense of your physical health, mental well-being, or personal relationships. A truly successful life embraces the interconnectedness of work, personal life, health, and emotional stability. Striking this balance enables individuals to thrive in a holistic sense, rather than just in isolated domains. One of the defining characteristics of sustainable success is adaptability. Life is filled with challenges, uncertainties, and unexpected changes. The ability to adapt, learn, and evolve is crucial for maintaining long-term success. Sustainable success is not about reaching a peak and staying stagnant. It's about continuously evolving and refining your approach in response to new experiences and shifting circumstances. This adaptability ensures that success doesn't just feel temporary, but instead becomes a stable and enduring part of your life. A key component of sustaining success is building a solid foundation. This foundation is built upon strong habits, routines, and systems that support consistent progress. It's about developing positive practices that fuel growth while providing the structure needed to stay on track. However, this foundation must also be aligned with your core values and long-term vision. When your goals and daily actions are rooted in what truly matters to you, your success feels purposeful and fulfilling. This alignment ensures that your efforts contribute to something bigger than just momentary achievements, fostering a deeper sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. Equally important is the relationship between success and well-being. It is impossible to enjoy success if it compromises your health or emotional state. True sustainable success is deeply connected to self-care and ensuring that you are in the right mental and physical space to perform at your best. Achieving success while neglecting well-being is often short-lived, as it can lead to burnout, stress, or even resentment. Therefore, prioritizing health and well-being ensures that your success is not just sustainable, but also meaningful, enriching both your personal and professional life. The importance of setting goals, a deeper exploration. Setting goals is often the first step towards achieving sustainable success. However, goals are not just about having something to work towards. They are a critical tool that shapes your entire approach to life and success. Clear goals serve as a guiding compass, providing direction and focus. Without goals, you may find yourself wandering aimlessly, unsure of what to prioritize. Goals provide structure and clarity, helping you determine the best course of action and ensuring that you don't waste time or energy on pursuits that don't align with your ultimate objectives. This sense of direction helps you maintain focus and reduces the stress of uncertainty, giving you a clear sense of purpose and motivation. Moreover, goals are powerful motivators. They transform abstract aspirations into concrete targets, turning dreams into tangible actions. With each milestone you achieve, you build momentum, reinforcing your belief in your ability to succeed. This sense of accomplishment not only fuels future progress, but also strengthens your resolve when faced with setbacks. Setting goals also encourages personal growth. By setting challenging yet achievable targets, You push yourself beyond your comfort zone, unlocking potential you might not have realized existed. This process of growth is vital for both achieving your goals and becoming a better version of yourself. The pursuit of your goals leads to a more resilient and capable individual, capable of overcoming obstacles with greater ease and confidence. In addition to personal growth, goal setting promotes discipline and accountability. When you commit to a goal, you are essentially holding yourself accountable to your future self. This accountability encourages you to manage your time, energy, and resources effectively, ensuring consistent progress. Furthermore, sharing your goals with others can increase external accountability and provide additional support, feedback, and motivation to keep moving forward. Another key aspect of goal setting is its ability to foster purpose. Clear goals give meaning to your actions and decisions, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Without goals, you may struggle to understand why you are putting in the effort, leading to feelings of disconnection or lack of fulfillment. With goals, every step you take becomes a meaningful part of a larger journey, helping you stay motivated and focused on your long-term vision. Ultimately, the process of setting and achieving goals is about more than simply reaching a destination. It is about the ongoing journey of self-improvement and the satisfaction of knowing that you are actively shaping your future. Goals provide the roadmap for growth, allowing you to navigate life with purpose, direction, and a sense of fulfillment. Without goals, you risk drifting through life, missing out on the opportunity to create a life of purpose, meaning, and lasting success. Effective goal-setting techniques, a deeper exploration. Effective goal setting is an essential part of achieving sustainable success. It helps provide direction, structure, and motivation. Below, we'll explore some advanced goal-setting techniques that can elevate your journey toward success. The SMART technique. The SMART method is one of the most widely used goal-setting frameworks because it helps ensure goals are clear, achievable, and focused. Let's dive deeper into each component of SMART. Specific. A goal should be clearly defined. Vague goals can lead to confusion and wasted effort. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," a specific goal would be, "I will lose 5 kilograms in the next 2 months by exercising 4 times a week and eating a balanced diet." This level of specificity eliminates ambiguity and gives you a clear target. Measurable. Measurement is key to tracking progress. Without measurable outcomes, it's hard to gauge how close you are to achieving your goal. A measurable goal like, "I want to run a 5K in under 30 minutes," provides a clear metric of success. Establishing concrete numbers or deadlines ensures you know when you've succeeded. Achievable. Your goals should be realistic. Setting overly ambitious goals can lead to frustration and burnout. When a goal is achievable, it's aligned with your current capabilities and resources. For example, if you're a beginner runner, setting the goal of running a marathon in a month might be unrealistic. Instead, set smaller, incremental goals such as running 3 kilometers by the end of the month. Relevant. Your goal must align with your values, purpose, and long-term aspirations. A goal that resonates with your core beliefs will naturally inspire more dedication and effort. For example, if one of your personal values is health, setting a goal to increase physical activity or improve your nutrition will feel more authentic and motivating than a goal that is solely based on external expectations. Time-bound. Every goal needs a deadline. Without a clear time frame, goals can drag on indefinitely. Having a time-bound goal, such as, "I will complete this project by the end of next month," provides a sense of urgency and keeps you focused on the task at hand. It also helps you avoid procrastination and stay on track. Breaking goals into smaller steps. Achieving a big goal can feel overwhelming. To make progress more manageable, break your goal into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if you want to write a book, It might seem daunting to think about writing an entire manuscript. However, breaking it down into manageable chunks, like writing 500 words a day, makes it more achievable. By focusing on daily or weekly milestones, you can maintain momentum and avoid feeling overwhelmed. These small steps also allow you to celebrate incremental wins, which fosters a sense of accomplishment. Each small achievement adds up to the larger goal, making the process feel less intimidating and more rewarding. Using positive visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool for achieving success. It involves mentally picturing yourself reaching your goal, which helps boost motivation and build self-confidence. When you visualize yourself succeeding, you're not just imagining the end result, you're also visualizing the process of overcoming challenges and staying disciplined. For instance, if you're aiming for a promotion at work, take time each day to mentally visualize yourself handling the challenges of the new role successfully. Imagine the feelings of accomplishment and pride you'll experience once you've achieved your goal. This technique strengthens your belief in your ability to succeed, even during tough moments. Regular review and assessment. Setting goals without assessing progress regularly can lead to missed opportunities for improvement. Regularly review your goals and track how far you've come. If you're not on track, it's important to reassess your strategy. Sometimes it's necessary to make adjustments to your approach, timeline, or methods. This reflection process helps you stay aligned with your goals and ensures you're not veering off course. Regular assessments allow you to address challenges before they become insurmountable, making your approach more flexible and adaptable. Writing down your goals. Writing down your goals may seem simple, but it's a powerful strategy for clarity and commitment. When you physically write down your goals, it reinforces your commitment to achieving them. It also helps to clarify your thoughts, giving you a deeper understanding of why your goals matter and how they align with your values. By keeping a dedicated notebook or journal, you create a space to track your progress, reflect on your journey, and make adjustments as needed. Writing down your goals also serves as a constant reminder of your commitment, helping you stay focused and motivated, overcoming challenges and obstacles. Even with a solid plan, obstacles will inevitably arise. How you respond to these challenges can make or break your progress. Positive thinking and resilience. Obstacles are an inherent part of any journey. Instead of seeing challenges as failures, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Positive thinking is crucial in turning setbacks into stepping stones. For instance, if you fail to meet a deadline, instead of getting discouraged, analyze what went wrong and adjust your approach for the next attempt. Resilience is built through perseverance and the ability to bounce back after setbacks. Remember that success is rarely linear, and setbacks are simply part of the process. Cultivate a mindset that embraces challenges, stays focused on solutions, and learns from every experience. Social support. Having a support system in place can make overcoming obstacles much easier. Surround yourself with people who encourage your progress, offer constructive feedback, and hold you accountable. Share your goals with trusted friends, family members, or mentors who can help guide you during challenging times. Accountability partners provide a sense of responsibility, helping you stay on track and motivating you to push forward. They can offer different perspectives and ideas, helping you find new ways to tackle obstacles. Flexibility and adaptability. No matter how well you plan, life often presents unexpected twists. Being flexible with your approach is crucial. If your original strategy isn't yielding results, don't be afraid to pivot and try a different method. Flexibility allows you to remain persistent while adapting to changes, ensuring that you're not stuck in a rigid plan that no longer serves you. The importance of consistency and self-motivation. Consistency and self-motivation are the pillars that support long-term success. While short bursts of effort may lead to temporary results, it's consistent action that sustains progress and creates lasting change. Building consistency through routine. The key to consistency lies in building effective routines. Establishing daily habits that align with your goals minimizes the need for constant decision-making. For example, if your goal is to write a book, setting aside a fixed time each day to write, even if it's just for 30 minutes, helps build momentum. Over time, these small, consistent actions add up to significant progress. Consistency in small tasks creates a snowball effect, making it easier to keep moving forward, even on days when motivation is low. Cultivating self-motivation. Self-motivation is the internal drive that helps you persist when external rewards or recognition are not immediately available. To cultivate self-motivation, remind yourself frequently of your why, the deeper reason behind your goal. Reflect on how achieving this goal will enhance your life or contribute to your long-term vision. When you tie your goals to your values and purpose, motivation becomes a natural byproduct. Celebrating small milestones. It's important to acknowledge and celebrate every step of progress. Small milestones, whether it's finishing a chapter of a book or reaching a fitness target, deserve recognition. Celebrating these moments boosts morale, reinforces your commitment, and helps you stay motivated. Creating a supportive environment. The environment around you plays a significant role in sustaining motivation. Surround yourself with people and resources that inspire and uplift you. Whether it's joining a community of like-minded individuals or using tools that help streamline your process, your environment should support your success. Positive influences will reinforce your efforts, while negative influences may drain your energy and hinder progress. Thank you for watching. Remember, setting goals is not just the first step towards success. It's a lifestyle that helps you achieve your ambitions in a sustainable way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content. Share your goals in the comments and how you plan to achieve them. See you in the next video.